The lecturer said, colon, it appears to me that at the present time many of the changes taking place all over the world are the outcome of inviolable laws working for the progress of mankind. Full stop. As a rule, comma, man is apt to overlook the silent working of the laws of the universe in reference to which he appears, comma, as a matter of fact, comma, very little concerned, comma, or his interest lasts but for a moment when some striking incident compels his attention. Full stop. Generally speaking, comma, he takes things as a matter of course, comma, and comma, as a necessary consequence of this attitude, comma, at the present day the beauties of nature are a closed book to a vast majority of the inhabitants of the globe. Full stop. Paragraph change. I will consider the matter and deal with the subject as briefly as possible. Full stop. In the first place, comma, it seems to me that in relation to the authorship there is no ground for supposing it to be doubtful. Full stop. In the second place, comma, the statements in the book are supported by contemporary accounts. Full stop. In the third place, comma, all the other known works of the author are of unimpeachable accuracy, full stop. Therefore, comma, from first to last, comma, I think the criticisms are entirely out of place, comma, and I cannot understand what is the matter with the reviewer that he should make such a violent attack, comma, on the one hand, comma, upon the probity of our author, comma, and on the other, comma, upon the accuracy of his statements, full stop, close.